In this lesson, we're going to look at the management module. The management module is the very first button on the toolbar. Here we're going to look at doing two things. One, adding new candidate information, and two, actually going through and scoring a test. First thing you want to do is make sure you have the proper company that you want to run the test on. The first thing you're going to do is make sure we have the proper company that we want to add the candidate to. Next, we want to add a candidate. To add a candidate, you click on the Add button. Here a box will show where you add the candidate information. Use the drop-down box to add the gender and click the OK button. From here, we're going to put in the rest of the information. One is the person's position. Next, if you have an application, you can put the application number in. If you want to keep track of the Social Security number, you can type in the Social Security number. You must put in a booklet number. And a normative is required. When selecting a normative, if you do not have a normative pattern to use for an individual, you can use what is called no position or blank norm. From there, you add the normative classification, click on the Update button, and now you're ready to score a test. To score a test, you click on Score Tests. If you are going to have the individual do it on the computer itself or a computer-administered test, you would click on the Administer Test. This will actually set up timing for the test, but at this point, we're going to score a paper test, so we're going to click on Score Tests. Message comes up. It says Score a test for Amy Sample and debit 1 meter. I'm going to select Yes. At this point, your system actually has been deducted 1 meter for the scoring of the test, and you now have options that you can put in what kind of scoring you want to do. You normally do want to check to make sure that the right applicant shows up in the module here. We're going to go down and we're going to score a test using an answer sheet, which is the most common means for scoring a test. Here we'll actually put in the raw scores for the mental aptitude section and the A, B's, and C's for the personality section. After you add in the mental aptitude raw scores, you're now ready to put in the ABCs. To put in the ABCs, the easiest method is to have the number lock selected on your keyboard and to use the number keys. One is